Hey, what's up, refinance holder? The refinance price prediction is very important for all holders now, my friend. And this time, I will give you a very important update about refinance because, my friend, in this time, the situation, the condition is very critical now. So, kindly must watch this video to understand better and be safe from the loss and get a very good profit now. My brother, this time the refinance condition is very critical because from last 7 days, my friend, the price is totally decreased now, not take a jump, just an only dump and dump. So what's the reason, my friend? The reason which I found, so it's this clear, my friends. To first of all, the main reason is, and this is the start of month, so therefore the price will fails down. And second reason which I found, so the short term investor, they are starting selling, so therefore the refinance will fails down. So try to understand, don't starting selling, hold it. I hope in upcoming time refinance price will be very fastly increased now. So first of all, my friends, if I predicate this coin, so definitely I will, my friend, I already predicate this coin, but you can see here I will do a practical. You can see here, my friend, this time my prediction is very simple now, and definitely in upcoming time a very huge jump is coming soon now, because every cryptocurrency, my friend, will moving in this circulation to after a dump where they will take a jump. So therefore after this fails also they will take a very huge jump now. So I am 100% sure from last 3 years, my friends, I do a prediction, and absolutely today, absolutely, my friend, in upcoming time I have a good news to, they will give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching, Reef Finance holder. Kindly, if you want to subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel. I will give you guaranteed you will absolutely get a very good profits now in crypto. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.